लेटर
उसका कंक्लूजन पढ़ दूं या प्रीफेस?
नहीं, पढ़ लीजिएगा लेटर, नोट भी लगा
नहीं, सारा है सर, वो उसमें प्रीफेस से स्टार्ट
फ्रॉम हाई कोर्ट।
जी जी, ऑब्वियसली
इन रिस्पांस टू आवर नोटिस।
मैं उसका आप कंक्लूजन कह रहे हैं पढ़ने का या प्रीफेस?
पढ़ लीजिएगा उनका लेटर क्या कह रहे हैं।
जी
चले पढ़ लें।
जी, आई कैन रीड आउट द कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट।
I was just trying to resolve this matter as quickly as possible, but yes, we can certainly read it. Please go ahead and read it.
Page 11 is the conclusion, but this letter obviously details certain facts and then the provisions, and then I can read out the conclusion if you mind. Conclusions. A.
Which page are you?
Page 11 of this note, sir, which is the additional note, but obviously the original is signed by the entire High Court. It's the full.
Ji.
Conclusions. A. Mandatory reporting with consequences for not reporting, followed by escalation to judicial contempt on inaction of the report. B. Promulgation of the judicial, within brackets, institutional code of conduct for all tiers of the judiciary. C. Revisions to the High Court rules. 1. To vest the functions of bench formation and case listing in the Administrative Committee in line with the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023. 2. To eliminate misuse of administrative powers for targeted judicial outcomes. And 3. To reinvigorate the institution of the full court within the disciplines appropriate to a corporate body. D. Promulgation of code of conduct and ethics for the subordinate judiciary. E. Promulgation of rules for the conduct of judicial contempt under Article 2043 of the Constitution. F. Parliamentary hearings on reference by the full court as an institutional remedy adjunct to the contempt remedy. These are the conclusions. I may now read out the Lahore High Court, sir. The CMA 3610, sir. Page 2, sir.
Relevant पढ़ लें सिर्फ. When the meeting was held, etc.
ये Leonard Attorney General, page 7 में पैरा 2 पढ़ लीजिए.
ये पेज 6 से शुरू होता है ना इनकी रिकमेंडेशन, वो पढ़े ना, पैरा 2 से शुरू होता है.
जी
की बात करें.
So page 7 onwards, sir.
Yes, no, page 6 से नीचे से paragraph 2 से शुरू होता है.
Paragraph 2, the participants thereafter turn by turn expressed their views in detail on the issue. It was concluded in the full court meeting as under.
Page 7.
One. All the judges of this court unanimously appreciate the above mentioned order, that is order dated 3/4/2024 in suo motu case number 1 of 2024 of the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, whereby it is directed that the High Courts as well as
This is not really a proposal or suggestion.
Leonard Attorney General पैरा 2 से पढ़िए.
It is considered to be very encouraging for the judges of this court that the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan has passed the above mentioned order for the first time in the judicial history of this country to address the most sensitive and grave issue being faced by the judges of the superior courts as well as by the judges of the district judiciary.
इधर रुक जाइए. What are they saying? That this is a continuing and persistent phenomena.
It was further observed that the principle of trichotomy of power is well entrenched in the Constitution, which guarantees judicial independence at the institutional level, including the individual judges. The constitutional norms dictate that government, its institutions and agencies must respect and observe the independence of the judiciary. The constitutional guarantee of independence of the judiciary ensures rule of law, realization of fundamental rights, and stability of the society. A functional democracy and civilian supremacy are effected and materialized in the presence of a vibrant, free, independent, and neutral judiciary. The freedom granted to the judges to decide cases according to their oath, uninfluenced by other factors, is crucial for equality of parties before the courts. 3. It was further unanimously resolved that no one should get an impression that there is any division or grouping in the judges of this court, Lahore High Court within brackets, on account of minor differences of opinions or dissenting notes given in the judgments, because the impression of division or grouping in the judiciary is intentionally highlighted by some individuals on the electronic, print, and social media for the benefit of the third party. Therefore, there should be a loud and clear message that all the judges of this court are standing united, and they also fully support the Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, who have been dealing with such like issues and other most sensitive matters of the country with courage and bravery.